Everyone is talking about AI agents, but almost no one is talking even a bigger question. Who governs those agents? At the Data Plus AI Summit 2026, Databricks announced something which most of the enterprises were missing, and that is Unity AI Gateway. And in my opinion, this isn't just another feature that you are missing. It is a shift toward enterprise scale AI governance. Hi everyone, I'm Ajay Kumar, Enterprise Data and AI Architect. On this channel, we talked about enterprise architectures, how you can save cost, how you can govern them, and how you can start with the very first right step. So we talked about Databricks, Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Azure, and much more. And if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe this channel now and also join if you want the latest content before anyone else does. Also, you are gonna get special tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Most organizations nowadays have Cloud, OpenAI, Gemini, MCP, and much more, and they are building their AI capabilities. However, only few organizations know how to govern them, and that leads to many questions. For example, who's using it, how it's being executed, how much cost it's going to occur, and much more. That's where governance becomes critical, and that's where the Databricks Unity AI Gateway comes into the picture. Unity AI Gateway introduces the centralized runtime governance layer for enterprise AI. According to Databricks, it extends governance beyond data to include models, AI agents, MCP, and other services. It also includes capabilities such as AI cost control, smart model routing, policy enforcement, guardrails, and unified tracing across all AI interactions. Now, this Unity AI Gateway explains many more things in a very simple way, and here I'm gonna introduce you one by one, such as cost control. Now, you are not gonna get any surprise bills for AI usage. You can limit your spend before even you spend it or before it becomes a problem for you. Now, the second part comes the smart routing, and I'm sure you are wondering what is that? Well, not every task needs ChatGPT 5 or any higher capability model, and this Unity AI Gateway can help you to smartly reroute to the different models based on the complexity or the task that you are working on, and that would help you to save the cost. Now let's talk about the guardrails. Unity AI Gateway helps you to put the guardrails. That means it prevents PII leakage, prompt injection, as well as unsafe outputs. I also talked about unified governance, where you can track everything or you can track the lineage, and that's where this Unity AI Gateway is again very useful for all the enterprises. It's going to be one place monitor for your models, agents, tools, and MCP servers. Personally, I don't think Unity AI Gateway announcement is the biggest. The biggest announcement is the mindset behind it. For years, we just focused on the data governance. Now, we are moving towards AI governance. Eventually, every organization needs to govern data, agents, MCPs, then there would be tools, cost, etc. And at last, they need to govern their decisions as well. Just as Unity Catalog provided by Databricks becomes a governance layer for the data, the Databricks is positioning Unity AI Gateway as a governance layer for all the AI interactions in the organizations for all the enterprises. This is where architecture becomes essential, because AI without governance doesn't scale, my friend. If you are data architect, enterprise architect, platform engineer, AI lead, CDO, then this is very important for you, because AI isn't just about deploying the models, it's about governing the entire AI ecosystem. And I believe this will become a key responsibility for enterprise architect in the upcoming few years, and to be honest, it is already there. I would love to hear your thoughts about it. Do you think that AI governance is finally becoming first-class citizen in enterprise architecture? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoy enterprise AI, Microsoft Fabric, and Databricks contents, consider subscribing to this channel and also join this channel to support us further. This is it for this video, and I'm gonna see you soon in our next videos.